with us today.
Hello.
And we are heading into Gold Bar Waterfall. Toyota up here. Broken axle shaft, bent the shock. Some issues ensued. So we got some parts overnighted in.
All right, here it is. Check it out. So we got, ooh, there it is. Found it. Broken CV shaft, which kind of took out the shock. Very shocking. Looks like she had a rough go of things back here as well. These bumpers just ain't what they used to be. So people may wonder, how do you work in these hot conditions? The answer is, you get you one of these here umbrellas.
You got it.
There it is.
So this is from my oil field days.
Dude, that's a heavy duty unit. That thing looks durable.
Well, it's a welding umbrella.
Ah.
Look, see now that cast and shade right here?
There we go.
Look at
Now
that.
we got the
Look at that.
proper alignment of all
You
things.
ask for better. I mean, other than a shop with a vehicle lift. Backing. So it doesn't have the sway bar links.
Okay.
So when you run without the sway bars, it extends too far and destroys these axle pieces all the time.
They can over.
Yeah, they overexert themselves.
All right, our customer has arrived.
You guys were moving.
Yeah, we're.
I charge by the hour. I didn't think you wanted me to take my time.
Okay. That's right.
Not that bad.
We just want to try the trio.
What's that?
We just want to try the Hills Revenge.
Oh. Let's go.
I gotta wash it lower the arm.
All right.
So hood,
No,
or can we get at it there?
we can get at it from here. Gonna take these off, drop shock out, put the new one in. But can you dunk that in the cooler?
Yeah, it is hotter than hot.
Yeah.
She needs a dip in the swimming pool. Oh, so much happier.
Like I said, me and Mike did it the other day. Ran the whole loop and fixed a rig on the way in 5 hours.
Yeah, that's really good.
But we were in my buggy moving quick.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Victory!
All right, you ready, Mike? As soon as I pull, we gotta stab that in so we don't lose
Lose oil.
a bunch of oil. We'll lose oil, that's gonna happen.
But don't lose bunch of oil, right? Oh, no more oil.
It's gonna lose a bunch of oil, or none.
It's already gone.
It's already gone.
Yes.
Hang it.
Got 35.
36.
Fast.
All right, Mike.
For
Tight, 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 tight. Everything good, so let's go back on with the tire.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah, wasn't even pointing at it.
I've joked around before. Been like, if it's over 105, I'm charging you extra. All right, set her down, Mike.
All right, let me clean up this mess a bit.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Victory sauce?
Yeah.
on the belly pan there, yeah. Damn, it's close. You get a little more passenger.
Yeah, but under that big overhang.
There it is. You got it. Nice work.
Yeah, it's shot. Yeah, it's like clunking around.
Should be fine.
Oh. You have forward? You have a locker?
Yeah, front locker.
Is it on?
No.
Turn it on. Easy. Easy, easy.
It's good to have them flexible bumpers.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe the right side axle needs to be replaced.
The shaft on this side, passenger side, not the one we just replaced,
It's also broken.
is also broken. And so the problem is, by driving with it broken, it will come loose eventually and tear the boot, in which case that thing goes willy-nilly and takes out the shock, just like the last one.
And we're right back to
So we're right back to where we were. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the tire off, turn this thing to the side, chippy-choppy the middle out, and that way the cup stays in the differential, the cup stays in the hub, and it's a lot better for all things. Got it. Oh, God.
Damn near got the goo.
Right in your eye hole.
Almost.
Oh, my. Let me get you something to put that in. What's up, Uni Bird? Whisker shifter.
Missed it. I missed my shiftings.
Made it.
Looks like, kind of looks like the skid plate has loosened that bolt. But, all good. Or it could just be leaking in the front. Is what it is.
I mean, if it wasn't leaking, that means
Right.
it'd be empty.
Right, as long as it's leaking, we know it's still got some. So, anyway, here we are at the trailhead. truck's on the trailer. We are ready to head to the shop. That was a bit of a workout. I wish we'd have known to bring 2 shafts. We could have swapped the other one really quick, but such is the way. We did get him out, get him down. Gonna go meet him at the shop so he can settle up. And that's it. Thanks to Mike for being there on the camera.
Hi.
Thanks to you guys. Thanks for watching.
All right.
Because I about went Mary Poppins off into the La La Land. Yeah, look.